happy to be here with you. I know whatever will happen, you'll be amazing. And she said, you too, babe, you too.
Yuto lang?
Yuto yung band.
Yuto ka lang, wala masyadong message. Kitira din yun.
Kasi it was such a nerve-wracking moment kasi, you know, sobrang...
Pero that moment, you knew it was gonna be you. Kasi we knew it.
Why were you praying?
Yeah, we knew. From the very start, we knew it was gonna be you. How about you? Did you know it was gonna be you? Because if you knew that it was gonna be you, just like us, we knew it was gonna be you, then we all knew. Kasi yung ngiti mo, yung mukha mo, yung tindig mo, confident ako, tapos na yung laban.
But inside, grabe yung puso ko, as in, like, I felt like yeah, it was just that moment where the world shuts down and then you're just waiting for that one country to be called by Steven. You're hoping and praying that he says it right.
Tapos kayo na.
You don't fear it, diba?
Ang nakakalaka doon, pag banggit ng country, mag-aantay ka lang ilang segundo kasi baka mabawi. Pag sinabi, Philippines, kakina ka pa mula. Kasi usually ko siya, Philippines, eh, yung pag si Steve Harvey, Philippines! Well... diba? Magdududa ka na eh. Well... Yung nga... Delegate? Abay ka, well... Yung personality, ang naman sinasabi, nangyari? Pero, sa swimsuit, sino pinaka-sexy?
Costa Rica.
Talaga?
Yeah, she...
Anong waistline?
Hindi ko alam. I didn't go up to her with a measuring tape.
Ang liit talaga, kurbada talaga.
Yung curves niya, grabe. Well, that's what I find beautiful.
Pero yung rampa ko, parang ikaw yung pinaka-sexy. So, siya, may hirap ako sa, my English is, you know, it's like my cell phone, it's low back. You have to charge it every now and then. Sino pinaka-best friend?
Denmark and Sweden. They're my besties ever since, because actually we're from the same batch of Miss World in 2016. So parang reunited. They came to visit the Philippines just after I won Bini Bini. Tapos they were on a trip from India. And then they were actually thinking, you know what, Kat, we'd actually like to try and compete then. And then Miss Denmark, she was appointed. And she was like, oh my gosh, Kat, we're going to be together in Thailand. And then Miss Sweden, she competed and she won. So we're like, oh my God, we're all going to be together.
Alam mo, kahit ano sabihin mo, hindi ko naiintindihan kasi tinititigan lang kita. Yung mukha niya parang nangungusap. Yung kahit, promise, wala ako naiintindihan kasi napapaganyan lang ako sa'yo. Ang ganda talaga niya, yung parang, ano pinakaiba namin? Dalawa rin naman ang mata ko. May butas din naman yung ilong ko. May mali eh.